In this video, we shall look at the shocking link between flaxseed, gut health, and breast cancer. Please remember to hit subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications to get all new videos we produce to upgrade your health. Watch till the end to discover how much flaxseed you need every day to prevent breast cancer. Recent research reveals an unexpected benefit of flaxseed in the fight against breast cancer. In a groundbreaking study published in Microbiology Spectrum, scientists explored the intricate relationship between the gut's microbiota and microRNAs in the mammary gland. These microRNAs play a crucial role in controlling genes associated with breast cancer development. Using young female mice, investigators focused on lignans, natural fiber compounds found in flaxseed, which have been associated with a reduced risk of breast cancer. The findings revealed that flaxseed, through its unique compounds, collaborates with gut bacteria to produce substances that may help prevent breast cancer. It particularly affects certain genetic elements in the mammary gland crucial for cancer prevention. Flaxseed is a source of lignan, secoisolariciresinol, diglucoside, SDG, and alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, rich oil, both with antitumor effects. The researchers emphasize that eating whole flaxseed is crucial for reaping its full health benefits. Neither flaxseed oil nor the compound SDG alone can deliver the same effects as the entire flaxseed. Previous research has already demonstrated that flaxseed can slow breast cancer cell growth and boost the efficacy of treatments such as tamoxifen. These findings are especially encouraging for postmenopausal women, suggesting flaxseed's potential in curbing breast cancer progression and risk. If these findings are confirmed, the microbiota becomes a new target to prevent breast cancer through dietary intervention. Flaxseed, often hailed as a superfood, has gained attention among health enthusiasts and the scientific community. According to the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, flaxseed is utilized for various health benefits, including preventing breast, prostate, and colon cancer, regulating blood sugar in type 2 diabetes, reducing high cholesterol, alleviating menopausal symptoms, and treating constipation. Flaxseed is abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, primarily in the form of alpha-linolenic acid, known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Reducing inflammation is crucial, as it plays a significant role in the development and progression of various diseases, including cancer. In addition to ALA, flaxseed is a prime source of lignans, potent natural antioxidants found in amounts up to 800 times greater than in other plants. The Susan G. Komen Foundation advises caution, noting that flaxseed might act somewhat like the hormone estrogen, potentially worsening hormone-sensitive conditions like breast and ovarian cancer. The Oncology Nutrition Dietetic Practice Group recommends consuming flaxseed as part of the diet, not as a supplement, and suggests eating moderate quantities of 2 to 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed daily. Clinical studies have shown that breast tumor growth in breast cancer patients is slowed down by the daily intake of 25 grams flaxseed, which contains 50 milligrams SDG. Flaxseed is an excellent source of dietary fiber, associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including some cancers. Fiber is vital for a healthy digestive system, robust immune function, and general health. Flaxseed's dietary versatility sets it apart. It can be easily added to a range of recipes, from smoothies to baked goods, offering an effortless method to enhance nutritional intake. The Mayo Clinic recommends using ground flaxseed for better digestibility, ensuring full absorption of its benefits. While flax seeds have been proven safe for most people, a small number have reported allergic reactions, increased gastrointestinal issues, and intestinal blockages when overconsumed. The research on flaxseed's potential to mitigate breast cancer risk signifies a breakthrough in dietary strategies for disease prevention. It adds to the mounting evidence of a substantial connection between our diet and overall health, especially in cancer prevention. Jennifer Auchtung, assistant professor at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, emphasizes the significance of the gastrointestinal microbiota in altering various dietary components, affecting human health. As research delves into the diet-health nexus, it underscores preventive healthcare's focus on dietary choices as essential as medical interventions. This study paves the way for more tailored dietary guidelines, aiming not just to treat diseases but to prevent them, particularly cancers, through nutrient-rich natural foods. It resonates with the increasing public inclination towards holistic health, potentially reshaping our understanding of diet and health. Share this discovery with a friend.